In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Klaviyo form on Shopify in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to enhance customer engagement or bolster your email marketing strategy, integrating Klaviyo forms into your Shopify store is a smart move. Not only does it help you gather valuable customer data, but it also seamlessly aligns with your online store's aesthetic and functionality. So let's dive right in. To get started, the first step is to install the Klaviyo app. Head over to your Shopify admin panel, which is the hub for managing all aspects of your online store. Once you're there, locate the search box at the top of the page. This is the quickest way to find and install any app you need. In the search box, type Klaviyo, email marketing, and SMS. Soon enough, you'll see it appear as a search result. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the app's installation page. Go ahead and click Install. You're going to be redirected to another page where you need to confirm the installation one more time. This step ensures that Shopify connects with your Klaviyo account securely. So click Install again, and then you'll see an option to click Integrate. This is where the magic happens. You'll connect your existing or newly created Klaviyo account to your Shopify store. By doing this, you're enabling Klaviyo to collect and manage data, send emails, and most importantly, display your form. With the app now integrated, the next phase is to create your sign-up form in Klaviyo. Navigate to the Klaviyo dashboard and look for an option titled Sign Up Forms. This is your gateway to designing dynamic forms. Click Create Sign Up Form. Klaviyo offers a variety of templates to choose from, giving you the flexibility to align the form with your store's branding. Select a template that speaks to your style, and don't forget to customize it to capture your audience's attention, whether it's through compelling headlines or appealing colors and designs. Once you have your form tailored perfectly, we move on to enabling it on Shopify. Head into the Form Settings tab and you'll see an option to Show on Website. Make sure this is enabled because it's crucial for your form's visibility on your site. Next, decide on how you want the form to appear to your visitors. You have several options, whether you prefer a pop-up that captures immediate attention, a subtle flyout from the side, or a neatly embedded form that fits within the page content. Choose the display rule that best suits your strategy. Finally, don't forget to save and publish your form. This confirms all your choices and sets the form live on your Shopify store. And there you have it, your Klaviyo form is now part of your Shopify arsenal, ready to engage your customers effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more features to enhance your store's functionality.